This is what we call Huawei Mate 80 Pro, a new launch device from Huawei this year. And we have been waiting for so very long time because it's been only 2.5 years since we launched Huawei Mate series. And this one is a game changer. Allow me to open it with you guys. Stay tuned, right? So I have here, I'm just really very excited to open this Huawei Mate 80 Pro, a new launch series. Oh my god, game changer. Okay. And remember, this phone Huawei Mate 8 series, it comes in 3 colors: gold, green and black, and all of them you're gonna look at them. And the one that I'm having here is pure gold. Look at everything. It's really a pure gold, right? Now this is another one. This is black, a pure black. Now this one here is a magnificent green color. And what I love about most is this ring here. See this ring here? A very amazing ring that we introduced from Huawei. Very flat display with 6.75-inch display with an amazing flat. It also have what you called 3D camera here. These ones here, see these cameras here? These, they allow you to unlock or to use even a very amazing front camera to be able to have a perfect capturing classic picture when you're using this camera here. And now here is Huawei mobile phone. Very elegant, very classic. As you can see, the choice is yours. Which one are you going to choose? Make sure you come and book right now, because you're going to come back later and you won't find anything at all. Thank you. See you guys later.